everyone, this is Nika, and today we are going to help you mix your favorite cocktails one episode at a time with Lotus Gin Room. What is more exciting than making your own cocktails at home? Let me introduce you to the Lotus Gin Room's cocktail project. For traditionalists who like to keep it simple, these are tried and true recipes that will guarantee you perfect cocktails all the time. Don't get us wrong, we love inventive and over-the-top cocktails. However, for this episode, we're gonna talk about the top 3 classic cocktails with the bonus of making your own sugar syrup. Let me welcome to you, MK.
Hi everyone, I'm MK, your man behind the bar.
And today we are here at the Lotus Gin Room bar. To start things off, we will make our simple syrup that we're going to use for our 3 classic cocktails.
Okay. So for now, we are going to use a 1:1 ratio for our simple syrup. So technically, it's like a 1 gram of sugar to 1 gram of hot water.
So Kuya MK, why do you use hot water instead of boiling it in a pan?
So using a hot water in a 1:1 ratio, it will maintain its fresh, natural sugarcane flavor, and it will also maintain the ratio of 1:1. Kasi if you're going to use it on over the pan or over the heat, it will less the ratio and it will evaporate.
All right, let's start. And then just sugar. There you go.
So you have a 226 grams. So you'll pour 226 grams also of
Hot water.
hot water.
Perfect. And then I'll take this one and then just stir.
Just stir it until there will be enough sugar crystal seed.
And now we have our simple syrup. Let's move on to our cocktails. So the first cocktail that we are going to make is a margarita. Let's go.
Let's go. So for margarita, we are needing tequila. So for this tequila, we are going to use cazadores. We are needing also chilled glasses, lemon juice, orange liqueur, and a simple syrup. Alright, let's start.
Let's start.
Start first with cazadores using 45 ml. Pour. Next is your lemon juice,
Lemon juice.
20 ml. Next is your orange liqueur. And last one is our simple syrup, 10 ml also. Yes. Next, add ice. Okay. Then we're going to shake it. And there you go.
Okay, there you go.
Then strain.
So we take our strainers.
Then double strain to your glass. By the way, yung cocktail glass mo, it has already a salt rim.
So you have to have the salt trim
Yes.
for a classic margarita,
Classic
right?
margarita. You have your lemon wedge.
It has to be a lemon wedge for a margarita.
Actually, if you want something on a dried lemon or lemon peel, it's okay lang naman. It's depend on your taste preference pa rin. There you go. Your margarita.
And the next cocktail we are going to make is a gimlet.
Yes. So for our gimlet, we need only 3 ingredients. So gin, lime, and sugar syrup. So for our gin, we will use Bombay Sapphire. So let's start.
Start.
So for Bombay, we're going to use 45 ml. There you go. 45 ml. Next, you need lime juice. So for your lime juice, 20 ml.
20 ml.
Yes. Lastly, your sugar syrup. So just a 15 ml of your sugar syrup. Next, add your ice. There you go. Then, and let's shake.
Right, that's it.
Then double strain. Pour into your chilled coupe glass. Then garnish it with dehydrated lime.
Dehydrated lime.
Yes. There you go. Or if you want, you can use lime peel or fresh slice of lime.
And there you go, guys. This is your gimlet. For our last classic cocktail in this episode, we are going to make a mojito.
Okay. So for our mojito, we are going to use simple syrup instead of powdered sugar. So simple syrup is more time efficient rather than using a ground sugar. Then we are using also a fresh lime wedge. Then
Use a lemon wedge instead.
yeah, pwede naman. So it depends on your taste preference pa rin palagi.
Alright.
Okay. So let's start. Let's start it by squeezing lime.
Lime.
So probably 3 slices of lime.
Can you add more limes if you want to?
Yeah, pwede naman. Kung gusto mong mas more on citrus, yung flavor ng mojito mo, go. Then if you want make it more sweetness, you can add more simple syrup.
So it actually depends on you.
Yes.
How you want your drink to be,
Yeah,
right?
actually. Get your simple syrup. If you want something sweet, you can go with the 45 ml.
Alright.
And I'll go for 30 ml.
Okay.
There we go. Next, we need to add just a little bit of lime juice lang. So just at 10 ml to give more refreshing notes for the mojito. And the last ingredient, our rum. So we're going to use Bacardi White Superior.
But you can use any rum that you like.
Yeah, no, you can use Bacardi Gold or Black or any brand ng rum pa rin naman. So it's your taste preference pa rin. Okay? So we're going to use 45 ml. And lastly, yung mint leaves natin. Just a handful. So,
Can you
Yeah.
substitute mint leaves for any other leaf? Or
yeah, pwede naman. Actually, you can try basil or sage or dill. So, mag-iiba lang ng konti yung flavor notes
Yes.
nila. Then, have a nice clap. Then, put it to your... Yeah.
There you go.
Add some ice.
How
Actually-
many ice do you recommend for this one?
You need to fill it up. So,
So you need to fill it up to the rim,
Yeah.
right?
then, we need to stir to dilute.
Stir.
Flip it up. Then yun. Makikita mo medyo bumababa yung yellow niya. So, pwede ka pang mag-add ng yellow. Then, cap it with your soda water.
With the soda water, can you substitute any kind of soda, or it's preferred
Actually,
to use soda water?
pwede naman, pero mag-iiba pa rin talaga yung flavor niya. Pwede mo siya palitan ng tonic water kung yun yung preferred mo. Kasi may mga guests din na gusto nila tonic water instead of soda water.
Okay.
So, just tap it. Yep. And before to fill, there you go. Okay, okay na. Then, stir again. Para mag-mix yung soda water natin sa lahat ng ingredients.
And there you go, guys. Here's your classic mojito. And there you go, guys. Isn't it easy to prepare your own classic drinks and sugar syrup at home? Now let's try. I'm gonna try the mojito.
I'll go for a gimlet.
Right?
Cheers.
Cheers. Whether you're brushing up on your home mixology menu or preparing for your next go-to cocktail hour, these recipes will never steer you away. And with the cocktail project guiding you about it, we ensure you that mixing drinks will be fun and easy to learn. Again, this is Nika, your host.
And I'm MK, your man behind the bar.
To follow us on our cocktail mixing journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on our YouTube and social media accounts. Click the bell button to be notified on our next episode. If you're here in the Metro, I do recommend you dropping by Lotus Gin Room's bar here in Kapitolyo, Pasig. See you guys in the next episode, and this is The Cocktail Project. If you guys are interested in buying any of these products, I do recommend you dropping by Philippine Bar Pro, which they're having a promo right now until May 2021. If you do purchase any of these products worth 5,000 pesos, you do get a 500 peso voucher.